And already we have learned about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means compound containing hydrogen and carbon. Now, when any one of the hydrogen atom replaced by halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, that is called haloalkanes or haloarenes. Arenes means compound containing benzene ring. Haloalkanes means open chain compound. Now, this halogen substituted organic compounds find application in our day to day life. That is, certain compounds like chloroamphenicol, produced by soil microbes, used in the treatment of typhoid. Chloroquine is used in the treatment of malaria. Halothane, used as an anesthetic, and halogenated solvents like trichloroethylene used for cleaning electronic equipments. These are all the introduction part. Now, classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds classified into two types. First, based on the number of halogens. Based on number of halogens. Monohalo compounds C2H5Br, bromoethane. This is called monohalo compound. Mono means single, number one. Next, polyhalo compound. Poly means many. For example, CCl3, CH2, CH3, trichloropropane. This is called polyhalo. Propane means CH3, CH2, CH3. Instead of this H3, Cl3 is present. So trichloropropane. These two divisions, monohalo compounds, polyhalo compounds, these are all the classification based on the number of halogens. Next classification based on the hybridization of carbon with halogen. That is based upon hybridization. Divided in two types. Carbon halogen bond, if it is sp2, that is carbon sp2, divided into two, that is vinylic halide, vinylic, that is CH2 double bond CHI, vinyl iodide. The number two, aryl. Aryl means compound containing benzene ring, that is C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene, that is haloarenes. This is one of the division. Another division, carbon CX bond, that is carbon is sp3 hybridized. That is number one, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, that is iodomethane, for example, iodomethane. Number two, allylic halide. Allylic halide. For example, allyl chloride CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2 Cl. Allyl chloride. Number three, benzylic halides having a benzyl compound, that is C6H5 CH2Br, benzyl bromide. Next, number four, alicyclic halides, that is bromocyclobutane. Cyclobutane is this one. If there is a branch like Br, this is called as bromocyclobutane. Now, the monohalogen derivatives, that is called haloalkanes. It is having the general formula ORX, where OR is an alkyl group, CnH2n plus 1, general formula. X is a halogen atom. X means Cl, F, Bri. So the haloalkanes further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary based on the number of carbon atom to which the halogen is attached. If there is one alkyl group, that is carbon having one halogen, one alkyl group, that is called primary haloalkane. If the carbon having two alkyl groups, that is called secondary. If carbon having three alkyl groups, that is called tertiary. So there are two types of nomenclature: common system IUPAC system. Both common system and IUPAC, the naming, everything given page 228. For example, CH3I. Common name it is called as methyl iodide. IUPAC name it is called as iodomethane. Likewise, many compounds given, like 15 compounds given there in your book. You can go through and you can mark. Now, if you are considered the CX, that is RX, that is CX bond means CX is always having a partial negative charge, C is always having a partial positive charge. Larger the size of halogens, greater is the bond length and weaker is the bond formed. So the bond strength of CX decreases from C fluorine to C iodine, this order. So the bond length, the bond enthalpy, everything given in book page number 230. You can go through and you can read and find out the IUPAC name, common name of naming the haloarenes, haloalkanes, primary, tertiary, secondary, and what are subdivisions, what is its use, everything given clearly in page 226, 227, 228.